made it to Middlebury, and I'm going to ride the Pumpkinville Nature Trail. So, as you can see, I got my helmet on. It is about 65 degrees right now, so I do have a sweatshirt. And I got my bike. Yeah, I'll just show you it that way. Electric bike. Got my GoPro here. We're going to try to record some of the trail, and we'll see what's going on. I do know Shipshewana is 6.3 miles that way, and Elkhart is 19.6 miles that way. Actually, the trail, I think, goes all the way down to Goshen, and then it curves back up towards Elkhart. So I wouldn't drive to Elkhart necessarily. I've never been a fan of Elkhart. But anyways, I'm right by the Dairy Queen in Middlebury, and we are going to try to ride this thing and see what happens. I'll try to bring you along with me, and try to record some of it. So hang on, and we'll show you what we get. Well, I hope you can hear me. I got the GoPro mounted to the handlebars, and we're going to try to narrate. This is all an experiment. We'll see what we can see. We'll say what we can say. So far, I believe the whole thing is paved. So I hear some geeses. Actually, it's quite nice right through here. Right now, I'm not regretting wearing my sweatshirt, I can tell you that. I was actually thinking of wearing shorts, but I got jeans on. I'm glad I got them. It would be chilly. I like how the trail is in the woods here, but yet you can see out into the farmlands and stuff. You got quite a bit of shade on the trail. You got scattered sun, so if it was really hot, you'd still get some protection. One thing I've added to my bike that I'm really liking is this rear view camera. I did have a mirror here, and frankly you couldn't see hardly anything without it, without moving your head all around. You couldn't get adjusted right. We tried two different kinds. I tried one that stuck out here and I hated that, and I had it here and it kind of went out like this. And I saw these things on Amazon. They were $59. Very easy to install. It took me about 15 minutes to install. Mounted it. You had one wire you have to run back to the camera, which is right there. And then I just wire tied all the wire down through here. You can't even see where I have it. And then it's chargeable. I plugged it in, and it charges in about I don't know, an hour or so, and then it's good for like 4 to 6 hours, something like that. And I'm not gonna ride for 4 to 6 hours. Anyways, you get a good clear view of what's behind you without stretching around, and very nice. $59 on Amazon. I recommend them. I highly recommend them so far. I got my other GoPro mounted right here. What I did is I mounted another small bar right here, this is actually attached to my handlebars, but then it allows you to mount some accessories. So I have the GoPro and the backup camera mounted there. So that's what I see, and that's what that's my explanation. So hang on, let's continue on to Shipshewana, down that way. I think we're about 1.5 miles. Jeez. Definitely glad I wore my sweatshirt and my jeans. It's chilly. Well, here I am again. Stopped the bike for a little stand for a second. See nice horses over here. Riding by a lot of Amish farms. Seeing a lot of back about 1 mile there was a building that had probably 30 or 40 bicycles and maybe a dozen buggies out in front. I don't know if it was a church or a school, or didn't look like either, but the horsies are just eating. Here comes some folks. Very nice. It's beautiful out here today. If you weren't riding, I don't think I need a sweatshirt, but while I'm riding I do. So
yeah. Yep.
There's people out here with electric bikes, people out here on regular bikes. You could do it on either. So anyways, that's me, and that's my story, and we're sticking to it. So hang on, I think we're about halfway to Shipshewana. I've probably been riding about 15 minutes or so. I'm not sure. Not much more than that, 15, maybe 20. It's only 6 miles, so I'm doing about 12 to 14 miles per hour, so I should do this in about 30 minutes or so. So hang on, we'll show you what we see. Yep. Well, as you can see, I made it to Shipshewana. Quite busy here. Seems to be some sort of carnival or event going on. I don't know what. But I'll circle around, see if I can figure it out. There's a park down here about a half a mile to stop at. This might be it right up here. made it home. I had a nice ride over in Middlebury, Shipshewana. Hopefully the video turns out and you get to see it. If you're hearing this, you probably got a video to watch. If you don't hear this and see this, probably the video's no good. But anyways, I was going to show you, this is my bike rack and how I get the thing over there. It's a heavy duty bike rack, you gotta have it. This bike weighs like 65 pounds. So you need that, and it will hold 2 bikes. It holds Mary's also, and it's pretty stable. So that's it. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. It's a beautiful day out. Right now the car said it was 76. It was about 62 or 3 when I started this morning, and because it's 76 now, we're on our way to 81. So they're mowing the lawn across the street. I might have to do the same thing this afternoon. We'll see. So hang on, and we'll talk to you later. GoPro, stop recording.